What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl motherfucking team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up?
All these niggas say they hot shit, you must not heard a Glock. Mr. Pull up, let it pop. Mr. Don't play bad as guap. And ever since a tot, I've been playing around with them blocks. Close your legs, ho, give me top. And my coupe cruise like a yacht.
Alright, y'all, so today we gonna be vlogging. So we actually about to prank Ashanti, and it's about to be funny as fuck, bruh. So we gonna do the fart spray prank on her. So right now we about to go to the mall just to go to Spencer's, and I'm gonna have Marie keep Ashanti occupied, and I'm gonna hurry up and just buy the fart spray. Alright, so we're about to go to Spencer's, just vlogging with the camera. Alright, so I'm in Spencer's. Cool. I'm super excited. Alright, so which one are you guys getting? Can I vlog for you? Sure. Because I feel like I'm not doing it. I just do better. Alright, ready? So you're here in the store. Oh, don't make me get the strap. This one would be nice for you. I like it. You could do it this. You could go with that. Why is this sliding? Bullying me today. Shut up. You already have the white privilege. I'm gonna put Cambridge. No copyrights, man. Oh, you're right. Bitch, I need this money. So we can't listen to no fucking music? At YouTube. So we can't listen to no fucking music? That's right. Us in the comments. What the fuck, YouTube? I'm about just that big. I don't give a fuck about a drop. This that big thing. Bruh, my stomach hurt. Why is stomach hurting for? This bitch still sick. I know that fucking churros and ice cream, bro. Don't drive reckless. Just drive safe. Bro, it's a lot of cocks in here. It's a lot of 12. Holy shit, somebody got arrested. Y'all bitches stink. Stacie, was that you? Yes. Was that you, Stacie? Stacie, what the fuck? Stacie! Stop! The car! I'm gonna pee on myself! I'm peeing on myself! I need to go safe! What's so good? Ooh, Stacie! What the fuck? I ain't gonna lie! I gotta go to the bathroom! I'm peeing on myself. Maria, pee in your car a little bit. I ain't even go flex, bro. I ain't even go flex. Bro, I hope you know you better watch the fuck. She shit herself. Shit her like she's sick. Bro, you can't even post this on Instagram. Bro, I gotta go to the bathroom. So we're gonna start the car vlog over since we have better lighting and we can talk. Period. Alright. We should have a girls talk, like another video, like when we get home. Just have a girls talk. Please. What I want. Yeah, I get it. Perfume, bitch. You heard that? Yeah, perfume, bitch. That was nasty as fuck. I'm sorry. It's nasty. You nasty, Bob. Nasty bitch. Having bubble guts. Bubble guts. Bubble butt. 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 Get out. So what you got? Ooh. Bubble butt. I said, ladies, you know you bad. Yeah. Don't need no man. Got your own man. If you talk now, bitch, let me hear that. You wanna see some? I wanna see some cash. Keep the dollars coming, and that's gonna make me dance. Hey, hey, and that's gonna make me dance. Hey, 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 and that's gonna make me dance. I can't, girl. Yeah, you gonna shit in the camera. Stacie, this is I
swear you did that thing with the window on purpose.
Oh my goodness.
Sorry, it slipped out when I was twerking, bruh.
Nah, I need to fart. And I'm about to fart. Oh, shit.
No, please, the car already stank, bruh. I'm sorry, guys. My stomach hurt, bruh.
That shit stink.
Oh, fuck.
Stink as fuck, bro.
Y'all funny. Marie, you're not in the camera.
Ugh.
Real stank bitch.
Y'all
fuck a lot of niggas.
Y'all funny, bruh. I was twerking y'all all like, stop. Do a freestyle, bitch. Do a freestyle. Do a freestyle.
It's 2019. Niggas ain't shit, but you know I'm still fucking with the period. Bitch, gonna be
Big facts. Woo. Big facts.
Oh my
Stacie, can you let us know?
But this shit stink, bro. I'm sorry, bro. Everybody come in the ring line. I'm gonna close the video out. Alright, y'all, so that's the end of this video. It was a slight little vlog. You know, I had a little stomach ache, but Ashanti, you look cute. And I was just pranking you. We was using the fart spray. That's why it smells so bad in the car. I'm gonna spray it one more time. She's too loud. My mom home, bruh. It was a prank. It was a prank. You was getting on me in the car. She was looking at me in disgust. She was like, get your diaper. I can't remember. Alright, y'all, so that's the end of this vlog. And if you messing with the vlog, make sure you like this video up and comment down below. And we're gonna do another prank.
My girl just got
She got pranked, y'all. Stay tuned for the video to drop, period. That's